Lesson 8, Task 3. You need the July meeting presentation located in the Computer Concepts webpage to complete this exercise. Open the presentation, then follow the steps. Step 39. Display slide 8. Switch to the reading view and then click the Next button. Move to the next slide. Press the Escape key on your keyboard to return to normal view. Step 40. On the Thumbnails tab, notice that PowerPoint skipped over slide 9 because it is hidden. Let's attach an action that jumps to slide 9 when it's clicked. Step 41. On slide 8, select the words Equipment Replacement. Step 42. On the Insert tab, in the Links group, click the Action button to open the Action Settings dialog box. In the Action Settings dialog box, you can specify whether action should occur when an object is clicked or pointed to. Step 43. On the mouse click page, in the Action on Click area, click Hyperlink to display its list, and then click Slide to open the Hyperlink to Slide dialog box. The slide number of the hidden slide is enclosed in parentheses. Step 44. In the slide title list, click Equipment Replacement and then click OK. Step 45. Click OK to close the Action Settings dialog box. Step 46. On a different slide, let's attach an action that plays a sound when you point to it. Step 47. Display slide 4 and select How did we do? Step 48. In the Links group, click the Action button, and then in the Action Setting dialog box, click the Mouse Over tab. Step 49. Below the Action on Mouse Over area, select the Play Sound checkbox. Then display the list of built-in sounds. Click Applause and click OK. Step 50. Switch to the reading view and then point to How did we do? To play the applause sound. Step 51. Right-click the screen and point to Go to Slide. Then click on 8 key spending areas. Step 52. In the bulleted list, click Equipment Replacement to jump to the hidden slide. Step 53. Press the Escape key to return to normal view. Step 54. Display slide 6. Then on the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, click the Shapes button to display the Shapes gallery. Step 55. In the Action Buttons area at the bottom of the gallery, click the Action Button Home icon. "56. In the upper right-hand corner of the white area of the slide, drag the cross-shaped pointer to create a Home action button about a ½ inch square. When you release the mouse button, the Action Settings dialog box opens with the Hyperlink to option selected, and the first slide is in the box below. At the bottom of the dialog box, the highlighted Click checkbox is selected but dimmed to indicate that you cannot change the setting. Step 57. In the dialog box, display the hyperlink to list. Click Slide to open the Hyperlink to Slide dialog box. Step 58. In the slide title list, click To Agenda, and then click OK twice to close the dialog boxes. Step 59. With the Action button still selected on the slide, on the Format Tool tab in the Shape Styles group, click the More button. And in the gallery, click the third thumbnail in the fourth row, Subtle Effect, Olive Green, Accent 2. Then click away from the button to display the results. Step 60. Display Slide 2. Then on the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, click the Shapes button to display the Shapes gallery. Step 61. In the Action Buttons area at the bottom of the gallery, click the Action Button Return icon. Then in the upper right corner of the white area of the slide, drag the cross pointer to create a return button about a half an inch square. When you release the mouse button, the Action Slides Settings dialog box opens with the hyperlink to option set to last slide viewed. Step 62. Click OK to accept this change and close the Action Settings dialog box. Step 63. Change the color of the Action button to one that is compatible with the background. Step 64. Display Slide 6. Switch to Reading View and then click Home Action button to jump to Slide 2. Step 65. On Slide 2, click the Return Action button to jump back to Slide 6, and then press the Escape key to return to normal view. Step 66. Click on Insert, Header and Footer. Step 67. Click on the checkbox next to Footer and type in student name. Click on Apply to All. Step 68. Upload the July meeting presentation to the Canvas class website and close the presentation.